Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to open a Just Eat Rider account in UK. First, open Google and type careers.just.co.uk, then press enter. Once the results appear, click on the official link to go to the Just Eat Careers page. After that, click on Sign Up to start creating your account. You'll be redirected to a new page where you need to enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your ID or passport. Then, fill in your email address, mobile number, your starting address, and the city or town where you are willing to work. Next, create a password for your account. Make sure it's strong and secure. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on Create Account. That's it. Once your account is created, you can start applying and working as a Just Eat rider. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.